Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another video. So in this lesson we're going to do the machine gun animations. Now I said we were going to do it different from the other animations and we are going to, but we can still use some of the code that we set up in the others, but we'll start with the differences. So let's create, let's just say MG anim, and we'll open it up for editing. So as always, we'll begin by creating our variables. So private transform, and we'll name this underscore camera transform. Close the line off into the comments. Variable to store the transform of the camera, and then we'll create of type private vector3 underscore camera original position. Close the line off in the comments, defines the camera's original position before starting to shake. Private vector3 again. We'll name this underscore velocity. We're going to set that to equal vector3 dot 0. Close that line off into the comments, so we'll say 0 out vector 3 velocity. And now we'll create a series of floats. We'll make these public because you will need to tweak these in the inspector, but now we'll say public float underscore damp wait time. We'll make this equal to start with 0.2 f, close the line off into the comments, defines the smooth time wait. Public float underscore smooth damp time equals 0.15 f, close that line off, defines the smooth damp time, and finally public float underscore position modifier. We're going to make that equal to 0.1 f, close that line off, defines the position modifier value. Okay, now we'll come to the void start, and the first thing we want to do is get the transform of the camera and pass that value into this variable. So void start game object with capital G underscore camera game object, and that's going to equal game object again with a capital G dot find game object with tag, open and close brackets, close the line off inside the brackets, little speech marks, and we're going to say main camera. So let's break that up for commenting. So quickly tidy those up. And in the comments we'll just say this variable equals, we'll say the game object with the tag of main camera underscore camera transform is going to equal the camera game object dot transform, close that line off again into the comments. So underscore camera transform equals the camera game objects transform. And finally we're going to, because this is on startup, we can store also its original position. So camera original position equals, and we're going to say camera transform dot and its local position, close that line off, put the comments in. So let's just copy that. Camera original position equals the underscore camera transforms local position. So let's save that off there. We'll leave it here for this lesson, I think, because we've got the variables and the void start now in place, and we'll begin in a new video actually making the camera shake. And because camera's attached to our aiming, we can do it that way. And I'll see you next time. So until then, as always, bye for now.